Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. In my last video, OGI the Gaming asked, can you make a video on how to make a shaving brush stand easy? Well, of course I can. For all you minimalists out there, I'll show you right now how to make a shaving brush stand or a safety razor stand in less than a minute for just about free. If you can beg, borrow, or steal a piece of solid wire from somewhere, or if you have an old school metal coat hanger laying around the house, that'll be perfect for this project. Let's get started. All you need is a piece of solid wire. Pull off a piece about 2 feet long, and it doesn't have to be exact. Just clip that off. Then you want to start off by making a circle. Just loop it around your hand. Make a round circle. Loop the wire around here and tuck it away. This will be your base. Now come up with your vertical arm like that. And then you want to fold it out and fold this back against itself. You're going to form a U right here. Fold this back against itself again, like so. You can make them even. You can loop this around. Get that down out of the way. So you've got your U right here. Set it down. Shape it to conform to your brush. Voila. 1 minute shaving brush stand. If you want to make a safety razor stand, same way, make your circle. Loop this around your thumb. Then bend it down so it's flat. Drop your razor in. Bam, done. Piece of cake. Safety razor and brush stand in 1 minute for free. This is a very basic example. I'm sure you can do better if you want to spend more time with it, make it more elaborate, see what you can come up with on your own. Thanks for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.